Tired of manually calculating mileage for your business trips? Struggling to keep track of your reimbursements? You're not alone. Expensify can simplify your life by automatically tracking your distance traveled. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do it. Imagine this: you're on a business trip, driving from client meetings to airport shuttles, and meticulously noting down every mile driven. Sounds exhausting, right? What if I told you there's a better way? Expensify, the popular expense management platform, has a nifty feature that automatically tracks your distance traveled. No more manual calculations or fumbling with receipts. Let's dive in. Expensify is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. It helps streamline expense reporting, automate reimbursements, and even integrate with other business software. But did you know it can also track your mileage with incredible ease? This is a game changer for anyone who frequently travels for work, whether you're a freelancer, a sales rep, or even a small business owner. Tracking distance with Expensify offers several key advantages. Increased accuracy: say goodbye to estimation errors. Expensify uses GPS data to accurately track your mileage, ensuring you get reimbursed for every mile driven. Time saving: no more manually logging miles in a spreadsheet. Expensify automates the process, freeing up your time for more important tasks. Improved reimbursements: with accurate mileage tracking, you can easily justify your travel expenses and ensure you receive the correct reimbursements. Enhanced reporting: Expensify generates detailed reports of your travel expenses, making it easier to track your spending and identify areas for potential cost savings. Now, let's see how to track distance with Expensify. Enable location services. First, ensure that location services are enabled on your device. Open your device settings and navigate to Privacy or Location Services. Grant Expensify permission to access your location. Start a trip. Open the Expensify app and tap on the plus button to create a new expense. Select mileage as the expense type. Start your trip by tapping Start Trip. Expensify will begin tracking your location and mileage in real time. End your trip. When you reach your destination, tap End Trip. Expensify will automatically calculate the total distance traveled and create a mileage expense report. Review and submit. Review the calculated mileage and add any necessary notes or descriptions. Attach any relevant receipts or documentation. Submit your expense report for approval. Here are a few tips to maximize your mileage tracking experience with Expensify. Background tracking: you can enable background tracking to ensure your mileage is accurately recorded even if the Expensify app is not actively in use. Multiple trips: if you have multiple trips within a day, you can easily start and stop tracking for each leg of your journey. Integrations: Expensify integrates with various other business tools, such as accounting software and CRM systems. This seamless integration streamlines your workflow and eliminates manual data entry. Reporting: utilize Expensify's reporting features to analyze your travel expenses, identify trends, and make informed business decisions. What if you encounter any issues? Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check location services. Ensure that location services are enabled and that Expensify has the necessary permissions. Background app refresh. Make sure the Expensify app is allowed to refresh in the background. Device battery. Low battery can sometimes interfere with location tracking. Contact support. If you're still experiencing problems, reach out to Expensify's customer support team for assistance. Tracking distance with Expensify is a simple yet powerful feature that can save you time, improve accuracy, and streamline your expense reporting process. By leveraging this functionality, you can ensure you're reimbursed for every mile driven and focus on what matters most: growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.